In this video I will show you how to automatically delete rows from an Excel table using Power Automate. In this example we have an Excel file called Test Excel File, stored in the Documents library on SharePoint. The table contains task records, and every day at 6 in the morning Power Automate will automatically find all rows where the priority is set to low and delete them. This is a great way to keep your Excel table clean without any manual work. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open Power Automate and create a new flow. Go to Power Automate and click on Create. In this example we will use a scheduled cloud flow so the flow runs automatically every day at a set time. Give your flow a name, set the start time to 6 a.m., set the repeat to every one day and click Create. Step 2. Add the list rows present in a table action. Click on the plus icon to add a new step and search for Excel Online Business. Select the action called List Rows Present in a Table. Set the location to SharePoint, select your SharePoint site, and set the document library to Documents. Then select the file called Test Excel File and select the table inside it. This action will retrieve all the rows from your table so we can loop through them. Step 3. Add a condition to check the priority. Add a new step and search for condition. In the left field, select the priority column from the dynamic content. Set the condition to is equal to, and in the right field type low. In this example only the rows with priority set to low will continue to the yes branch, and all other rows will be skipped. You will see that the for each is automatically set and set the output to body value of list rows action. Step 4. Add the delete a row action in the yes branch. In the yes branch of the condition, add a new step and search for Excel Online Business. Select the action called delete a row. Fill in the same location SharePoint site document library, and file called Test Excel File. In the key column field, select priority. In the key value field, type low. Power Automate will now delete every row where the priority is set to low. Step 5. Save and test the flow. Click Save to save your flow. Then click Test and select manually to run it straight away and check the result. Open the Test Excel file in SharePoint to verify that all rows where the priority was set to low have been removed. From now on this flow will run automatically every day at 6 a.m. And that is how you automatically delete Excel rows every day using Power Automate. No more manual cleanup, your flow takes care of it every morning. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new tutorial.